All right, I'm going to show you how to use what's called the citation machine. I've got the link up here, the tab. Citationmachine.net is a really easy way to get accurate citations for your research projects that you may be assigned. So for my class specifically, we're doing what's called a capstone project, and the last section is called Works Cited. So I've got some details here, but I've got 5 different sections of this project. So what I've done is, just for a quick example, pulled up Macomb Community College tuition. I went ahead and searched it. What you don't want to do is you don't want to say, oh, there's the in-state tuition. Just copy and paste this and you're done. That's not what we're looking for. What you do if you're going to do an appropriate citation is to get the actual website. For my project, I actually have my students do the exact website. So you must have this link right up here that's going to take me to this particular page. That way I can look at your information. So I'm going to hit Control-C. I like the keyboard shortcuts. Control-C is copy. And I'm going to go over to the citation machine and I'm going to create a citation. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you're going to see a bunch of ads come up. This is a free site, so they love doing the ads. So you just ignore all that. I want to cite a website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on website. And I'm going to go ahead in here and hit Control-V. V is paste. You see it just puts that in there, and I hit search. And what it's going to do is it's going to search for that site. So there it is. It found it. I'm going to hit the Cite button. All right, here's what we found. It says you'll need help with publisher, sponsor, date published. We're just going to leave that alone for now. So we're going to go ahead and hit continue. This is what I'm citing. Puts all the information in there for me, and I'm going to complete the citation. Now, I'm not going to be too sticky here. Some instructors may, want you to put publishers and all that, but this is just a simple website where we're grabbing information from. So you can see it gives you the citation here. So I'm going to hit the copy citation here, and it says it may be incomplete. We're fine for that. For this demonstration, it's not going to be an issue, so we're going to close that up. Now, it's probably going to ask you the first time you do this to create an account. I've already done that. If it does, just use your Google account. You just log in with Google, and you're on your way. So again, I just went ahead and clicked Copy Citation, close this guy, and then I'm going to come over here. I told you it likes popping ads up. And then you come over here. I'm going to right-click or Control-V for paste, and there it is. So what you want to do, it did it in bold, so I'm going to go ahead and unbold that. And you'll notice here that the link is not linked. It's not hyperlinked. So what you do is I'll go right to the end of this and hit the enter button, and it will automatically insert the hyperlink. So that is an easy way to do a citation for a research project. There's all kinds of things you can do. If I go back here, I can, let's see here, create another citation. You just hit create citation. Do you want a book? Do you want a journal? There's a huge list, newspaper, online database, there's tons of things. So anything you can find information in, you could pretty much reference here and cite it. So that's how you do citationmachine.net, APA style, and of course it's up to your instructor what format you're going to use, but this is pretty standard.